Hi, sixth graders. How have you been? It's been a while since we've seen each other. Today, I'm going to make the video right here from my den. So it's definitely not the classroom you're used to seeing me in. And they're going to be two short videos. The first one, we're going to talk about what a neuron is. And in the second one, we are going to talk about your brain. So be sure to watch both short video clips. They will help you with the assignment that you're going to do today. All right. So what I'm asking you to do today is go into your health book and read the pages 118 over to 123. And I want to talk about just a couple of the things you see there in your health book. And the green on the far let's see, as you look at it, it'll be your far left side. It tells you that you want to be able to describe the structure of a neuron, and you want to be able to compare the central and peripheral nervous systems. So we're going to quickly talk about those and then a couple of things with your brain as well. All right. So if you will go over to page 119, you will see the image of the neuron. I'm going to move myself out of the way here so that the neuron is right above me. And neurons are made of several key parts. And up near the top, you should see what kind of looks like spider webbing tentacles. Those are called dendrites. And dendrites deliver the message to the next neuron in your body. In the center of it, you have a cell body. And inside the cell body is the nucleus and all those key parts of a cell, the mitochondria, the lysosomes, all those parts that we talked about early on in the year that every good cell has. But you know what's especially important is that nucleus, because it has the directions for what kind of cell the cell is going to be in. This one, of course, is a nerve cell. It's going to deliver messages around your body. Branching off of that cell body are little things that I always say, like little sausage links or little hot tamale candies. And the axon are there. Those are the things that look like the sausage links. The axon carry the message in one direction. So that message is called the impulse. And so the impulse can move along the nerve cell, and then it will arrive at the end of it where it can deliver the next message. So those are the key parts of a neuron you're going to work with today. In your book, you have a little section here on nerve cells. It tells you that the basic functioning units of your nervous system are the nerve cells, or sometimes you hear them called neurons. So neuron, nerve cells, they mean the same thing. Up above, as shown in figure 2, it says a neuron is made up of a cell body and branches called dendrites and axons. Any message carried by the neuron is called an impulse. Dendrites receive the impulse from other neurons and send them to the cell body. Axons carry impulses away from the cell body. Notice the branching at the end of the axon. This allows impulses to move to many other muscles, neurons, or glands in your body. So those little tentacles reach out and touch the next neuron, then the next neuron connects, and they keep going so that just like the blink of an eye, the snap of a finger, messages can be zipping around your body. So nerve cells are a really important sensory tool in your body. In your 5 organs, 5 sense organs like your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, you have all kinds of sensory neurons, and those sensory neurons help you to pick up messages. So if you hear a noise, that's a sensory neuron in your ear helping you listen. If you can smell dinner or lunch cooking, those are sensory neurons in your nose. And then those messages get delivered to your body parts. They travel along what is called an interneuron, and the interneuron will deliver it eventually to a motor neuron. So if you were smelling that dinner was cooking and it smells great and you want to walk into the kitchen, that message has to be delivered to your motor neurons so that you can walk to the kitchen, run to the kitchen if dinner smells good. So that's what you're seeing explained to you over here on page 120. They give you the example of the baseball flying through the window, right? You see the baseball coming through with your eyes, you take action and jump out of the way, and your motor neurons allow you to stay safe. So that's a little bit about neurons, okay?